Good morning, dear students, and a warm welcome to online study of 10 plus 2 mathematics with Surinder Thakur, lecturer mathematics, posted at Government Senior Secondary School Parshod, Education Block Chwadi, Tehsil Batiar, District Chamba, Himachal Pradesh. Dear students, in 10 plus 2 mathematics today, chapter 4, name of chapter is determinants. In this chapter, we will discuss concept and definition of determinants. After that, we will find the determinants of matrices of order 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Introduction. In the previous chapter, we have studied about matrices and algebra of matrices. We have also learnt about that a system of algebraic equations can be expressed in the form of matrices. A system of linear equation like a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. This system of lines can be written as a1 b1 a2 b2 into x y is equal to c1 c2 in algebra of matrices. Now, after solving this, we get again a linear system of equation in two variables. Now, this linear system of equation has a unique solution or not is determined by the number a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In 10th class, you have studied that a system of linear equation in two variables has unique solution or not. There is a condition if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Or after solving, we get a1 b2 minus a2 b1 not equal to 0. Therefore, this number a1 b2 minus a2 b1 determines the uniqueness of solution of this linear system. And this number is associated with matrix A and is called the determinant of matrix A. This is all about concept of determinant. Students, determinant have wide applications in engineering, साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, सोशल साइंस एटसेट्रा. बच्चों, हम इसका यूज़ इंजीनियरिंग में, साइंस में, इकोनॉमिक्स में और सोशल स्टडी में करते हैं. इन दिस चैप्टर वी शैल स्टडी डिटर्मिनेंट्स अप टू 3 रियल एंट्रीज, ऑर्डर 3. Also we shall study properties of determinants, minors, cofactors and application of determinants in finding area of a triangle, adjoint and inverse of a square matrix, consistency and inconsistency of system of linear equations and solution of linear equations in 2 or 3 variables using inverse of a matrix. There are so many types of matrices, but it is not possible to calculate the determinant of every matrix. To every square matrix A of order n, we can associate a number may be real or complex, called determinant of the square matrix A. Notation of determinant. Determinant of a matrix is denoted by determinant A or delta. Students, there are two remarks. First one is, for matrix A, determinant is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. And second is, only square matrices have determinants. Now we will find the value of a determinant of a matrix of order 1. Let us take an example of square matrix having order 1. Let A is equal to A, which is a square matrix of order 1 into 1. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to determinant of element A, and this is equal to A again. In case of square matrix of order 1, the value of determinant is value of a element. Clear? Hence, students, we find that value of determinant of a square matrix of order 1 is the value of that element. Now we will find the value of determinant of a matrix of order 2. Let A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a square matrix of order 2 into 2. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21, A22. In this case, we take product of diagonal elements minus product of diagonal elements. Product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. Therefore, we have A11, A22 minus A21, A12. This is the value of determinant of square matrix having order 2. Hence, we find that the value of determinant of a square matrix of order 2 is equal to product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. Now, we will find determinant of a matrix of order 3. Let A equal to a square matrix of order 3 having elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3. This is a square matrix of order 3 into 3. Now, there are 6 ways to find out the determinant of this square matrix. By expanding along R1, expanding along R2, expanding the determinant along R3 and C1, C2 and C3. Let us try to find the value of determinant of this square matrix expanding along R2. Expanding along R1. Now, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Expanding along R1, we get. Students, this is very important concept to you. You have to understand this concept. In this case, we write here power of -1 as 1 plus 1 into A11. Power कैसे बनी? Sum of matrices of this element. 1 plus 1, power of minus 1 as 1 plus 1 into this element into the second order determinant obtained by treating the elements of first row and first column. A22, A23, A32, A33 plus power of minus 1 as sum of fixes 1 plus 2 into this element into second order determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. A21, A23, A31, A33 plus power of minus 1 as fixes sum of fixes 1 and 3, A13 and second order determinant obtained by taking the elements of first row and third column. A21, A22, A31, A32. After solving, minus 1, power of minus 1, 2, A11, product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. Power of minus 1 is 2, therefore value is 1. You can write here 1 1. A22, A33, A32, A23. Here power of minus 1 is 3, therefore value is minus 1. A12, A21, A23 minus A31, A23. Power of minus 1 is 4, therefore value is 1. We write here A13 A into A21, A32 minus A31, A22. After multiplying, we get A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A32, A23 minus A12, A21, A33 minus plus A12, A31, A23 plus A13, A21, A32 minus A13, A31, A22. This is the value of determinant having order 3. Similarly, expanding along other two rows and columns, we will get same value of determinant A. Hence, we find that expanding a determinant along any row or column gives same value. Now students, we will evaluate the determinants of matrices having order 2 and prove that if A is a square matrix of order 2, then determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. First question is, evaluate the determinant. Question number first is, evaluate the determinant 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1. इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है स्टूडेंट. सॉल्यूशन इज लेट डेल्टा इक्वल टू 2 4 minus 5 minus 1. This is a determinant of order 2. And we know that in case of second order determinant, we take the product of diagonal elements and minus product of non-diagonal elements. Therefore, we can write here 2 into minus 1 plus minus 4 into 4 minus 2 minus 20 minus 2 plus 20 is equal to 8. This is the value of determinant having order 2. This is first question. Question 2. First part. Find the value of determinant cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Let delta equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos. This is also second order determinant. Therefore, we take product of diagonal elements minus product of non-diagonal elements. We have cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta is equal to sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Because sin theta plus cos theta is equal to second part of second question is also same. Second part of second question is given a determinant having elements x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1 plus 1. Let delta equal to x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. This is also second order determinant. Therefore, we take the product of diagonal elements and minus product of non-diagonal elements. Therefore, we have x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Multiplying x square with x plus 1 minus x with x plus 1, 1 with the x plus 1. Here we get x square minus after multiplication we have x cube plus x square minus x square minus x plus 1 x square plus 1. After cancelling x square with x square, x with x, we have x cube minus x square plus 1. This is the value of this second order determinant. Next, question number 3 is question number 3. If a equal to 1 to 4, 1 to 4, this is a square matrix of order 2. We have to prove that determinant of 2a is equal to 4 times determinant of since a is equal to 1 to 4, 2. Number 1. Taking determinant of 1b. Taking determinant of 1b. This is second order determinant. So we take product of the elements means product of non-random elements is equal to -6. Is equal to -6. We have to multiply matrix A by scalar 2. Therefore, each element of matrix A is multiplied by 2. Each element of A is multiplied by 2. We have 2, 4, 8, 4. Students, we have to prove that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. That is it. Determinant of 2A. Determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. 2 into 4 minus 8 into 4 minus 24. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equal to minus 24. Okay, 2. Right hand side we have 4 into determinant of A. 4 into determinant of A is equal to -6. -6 again, that is -24. Now 2 and 3 we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equal to 4 times determinant of A. Thanks.